Hello everyone, my name is Ebenezer Meek. I'm thrilled to announce the release of my brand new album titled Mofebololufemilo, available across all the digital streaming platforms worldwide. Mofebololufemilo is not just a song, it is an experience, a connection between hearts of God and the souls of men. It is a story told through powerful and inspiring lyrics and infectious reading that will resonate with your heart and soul. I can't wait for you to hear it. So get ready to experience something special as you stream, download, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to press the follow or subscribe button as the case may be if you have not done so already. Thank you for your support, and remember,